Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Microsoft Whiteboard and creating a new board so you can work without distractions. Once done, choose orientation and set zoom to fit your starting area. This saves panning later. Make sure input is correct, pen, touch, or mouse, and pick a color and thickness so lines read clearly. You'll also want to turn on grid or ruler if you need precision. That helps with alignment as you sketch the base shapes. You now build the drawing. Start with light strokes or sticky notes to block layout and composition, because rough placement saves time. Then use shape recognition and the ruler to convert shaky lines into clean geometry. The lasso tool groups and repositions elements quickly. Add text boxes for labels and import images for reference, and annotate with ink highlights to explain parts. Once everything aligns, tidy layers and lock or group elements so you don't accidentally move them. You finish by polishing strokes, checking text legibility, and exporting the board as PNG or SVG, or sharing a link for collaborators to comment. Once done, use undo and the board history to revert mistakes and duplicate elements to speed repeated work. If drawing feels laggy or pen pressure is inconsistent, make sure drivers and app are updated, reconnect your device, and restart if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.